Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download MarketWatch app for stock market news, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your device's App Store. For Android users, this is the Google Play Store. For iPhone users, go to the App Store. In the search bar, type MarketWatch. Press the search icon. Look for the MarketWatch app in the search results. Ensure it's the official app published by Dow Jones & Company. Tap on the app title to open its page. Review the app details including features and ratings. Locate the Install button on the app page. Tap on the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, find the MarketWatch app icon on your home screen. Tap the icon to open the app. Allow the app to access your location if prompted for personalized content. You may be required to create an account or log in. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. Explore the various sections of the app for stock market news and updates. Customize notifications to stay updated on market trends. Now, you're ready to use the MarketWatch app for stock market news. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.